The term 100 bagger first captured my attention in Peter Lynch's 1989 classic, One Up on Wall Street. Names like Microsoft, Nasdaq MSFT, Dell, NYSE Dell, Nvidia, Nasdaq NVDA, and Apple, Nasdaq AAPL, were just a few examples Lynch used to illustrate the potential for tenfold stock price growth. But how often do such explosive gains occur, and can we identify the next breakout stars? Let's delve into the world of 100 baggers. The research reveals a fascinating truth: to find a 10-bagger in the S&P 500 as of late 2023, we'd need to rewind all the way back to the 1980s. What's really striking is that investors in the 1980s witnessed some stocks multiplying in value by 100-fold over the years. It's a testament to the long-term growth potential of the stock market, with the S&P 500 averaging 11% annual returns since 1980. Every investor dreams of buying a stock at a low price and selling it later at a price 100 times higher. Looking at a list of stocks that achieved this feat from 1962 to 2014, there are nearly 400 such examples. But what sets these stocks apart, and how can investors identify them? Identifying potential 100 baggers. While there's no guaranteed formula, several key characteristics often emerge when analyzing historical 100 baggers. Here are some crucial elements. Consistent growth. Companies with a track record of steady earnings growth, particularly on the bottom line, tend to be strong contenders. Low starting valuations. Look for stocks with attractive valuations, such as a low price to earnings P/E ratio. Small market capitalization. Historically, companies with a market capitalization below $500 million have a higher chance of achieving 100-bagger status due to their potential for explosive growth. Achieving a 100-fold increase often involves consistent growth, especially in earnings, and starting with a low valuation, like a low price to earnings P/E ratio. Additionally, many of these stocks started out as small companies, as larger companies find it more challenging to grow so significantly. Building your watch list, filtering for 100-bagger potential. The good news? We can leverage tools to set up filters and identify stocks with characteristics that align with historical 100-baggers. In this example, we've applied 3 key filters. Compound annual earnings growth, at least 20% over the past 5 years. P/E ratio, between 5 and 10. Market capitalization, less than $500 million. By applying these filters across the US and European stock markets, we've narrowed down a vast database of over 162,000 stocks to a short list of 113 potential candidates. Will any of them become the next 100-bagger? Only time will tell.